In this video, we will show the best laser hair removers available to buy. At number 8. Sensual Permanent Laser Hair Removal Machine. It improves the quality of your skin at every layer, result in silky smooth and younger looking skin. It is gentle to the skin and super easy to use. You will get a salon quality treatment in the privacy of your own. At number 7. Replacement Laser Full Body Permanent Hair Removal Epilator. It is quick, painless and almost permanent hair removal. Lightweight and compact, application in all parts of the body, quiet in the application. At number 6. Designeez Portable Laser Kit. It easily removes any unwanted hair in one go. Gentle hair removal and precise shaping for your delicate body parts. At number 5. Kemei KM3018 Hair Removal Laser Epilator. Shaver head allows you to use your epilator as a full-fledged dry shaver and 2 epilation speeds, perfect for beginners new to epilation, or for experienced users. At number 4. Naivete Laser Epilator. It safely removes hair anywhere, including the face, arms, legs and bikini area. No more painful or smelly hair removal methods. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery. At number 3. SmoothSkin Bare Ultrafast IPL Hair Remover. It is clinically tested and FDA approved. It is permanent hair removal device and it is safe on skin. It is ultrafast. With 100 flashes per minute, treat your whole body in less than 10 minutes. At number 2. Designeez Y05 Permanent Hair Removal Machine. It is a permanent hair removal machine. It is blue in color. It also painless hair remover. It gives sensitive skin feeling. At number 1. Granth Enterprise 2-in-1 Epilator Hair Remover. This is a good product for the last-minute touch-up. It removes hair without pain, unlike waxing. It is working very well. The best thing is that it has sensors and it's chargeable, so no battery expenses.